Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to change the language in Meta Ads Manager. To begin, log into your Facebook account that is connected to your Meta Ads Manager. Once you are logged in, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture or the account menu icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy and then click on Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Language section, click on it. Then click View All Setting. Click on it to open the language options. Under Facebook Language, you will see an option to edit your language preference. Click on the Edit button next to this option. A drop-down list of available languages will appear. From this list, choose the language you want to use in Meta Ads Manager. Once you have selected your preferred language, click on Save Changes. The settings will update immediately. After saving your changes, go back to your Meta Ads Manager. Refresh the page to apply the new language setting. You should now see that the Ads Manager interface is displayed in the language you selected. That's it. That's how you can solve the problem of changing the language in Meta Ads Manager. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.